Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the monTEK heavy-duty tilting TV wall mount. Designed to support TVs from 37 to 90 inches and weighing up to 200 pounds. If you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty solution for your big screen, this mount promises strength, flexibility, and a sleek profile. Right out of the box, this mount impresses with its build quality. Made from premium steel and engineered to handle rigorous strength tests, it ensures rock-solid stability, even for oversized TVs. The design is universal, fitting most major TV brands and VISA patterns up to 600 by 400 mm. It's compatible with standard 16, 18, and 24-inch studs, making it versatile enough for living rooms, home theaters, or even office setups. One of the standout features of this mount is its tilt and swivel capability. With a tilt range from -10 to +15 degrees and a swivel of ±10 degrees. You can easily adjust your TV for the perfect viewing angle. This is especially handy if you're mounting above a fireplace or in a space where glare can be an issue. The adjustments are smooth and tool-free, allowing you to fine-tune your viewing position without any hassle. This mount also focuses on a space-saving design. The low-profile frame keeps your TV just over 2 inches from the wall for a clean, modern look. At the same time, it extends out to nearly 7 inches, providing easy access to HDMI or USB ports without removing the TV. It's a clever balance of style and functionality, ideal for compact spaces or anyone wanting to hide messy cables. Installation is designed to be straightforward. The heavy-duty one-piece wall plate comes pre-assembled with reinforced welding, reducing the risk of wobble or weak joints. A complete hardware kit, drilling template, and sliding wall plate make aligning and centering your TV stress-free. Additional features like quick-release spring locks and micro-adjustments help keep your screen level and make removing or reinstalling the TV easier. There are even anti-theft padlock holes, offering extra security if needed. Overall, this heavy-duty tilting TV wall mount combines strength, adjustability, and a sleek design for anyone looking to mount a large TV with confidence. Whether it's for your living room, home theater, or office, this mount offers a polished, professional solution for your viewing needs. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming product deep dives.